In this lesson, we will look at Amara, a resource for conducting do-it-yourself captioning. Amara is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to reduce barriers to communication. With Amara, you can invite friends, colleagues, or the public to help you caption videos. TED and Scientific American are two organizations that invite crowd captioning of their videos. Amara's captioning editor, which is provided at no cost, has a number of features to facilitate the captioning process. We'll review these features as we proceed through this demonstration. We'll start by creating an account at the Amara site at amara.org, and this URL is also up on your screen. You can also sign in using your Facebook, Twitter, or similar accounts. Select the option to subtitle video. This is the leftmost option on the top navigation. Under Getting Started with Amara, select Learn the Amara Subtitle Editor to watch the short Getting Started video.
There are three main steps when creating a video's first language.
The instructions are clearer once you start captioning a video, but watching this video will give you a general overview of how the tool works. After watching the video, come back to the subtitle video page. Be aware that the Getting Started video opens YouTube in a new window. Enter the URL of a video you would like to caption in the field below the Subtitle a Video heading. If you don't have a video of your own, you can pick a public video on YouTube or Vimeo, or use one of mine. Here is a link to one of my videos. There is also a list below this video player. After entering the URL, Amara will load the video and display a screen similar to the one below. Select the link to add a new language. Note that Amara uses the term subtitles for both captions and subtitles. When asked which language, select the one appropriate for you. For this example, I am going to select English for the subtitle language. Amara also asks for the spoken language of the video. In this case, it is again English. After selecting Continue, Amara will then load the subtitle editor with some pointers and callouts. Click anywhere on the screen to close the tips. There is a link for subtitling guidelines on this page. I suggest you review them. And here is an overview of some of these guidelines. Keep the length of each subtitle line to about 42 characters. Limit captions to no more than 2 lines per subtitle. Speakers should be identified when more than one person is on screen or when the speaker is not visible. Type the speaker's name followed by 2 greater than signs, as in this example. Indicate sounds when they add to understanding. All actual words are captioned regardless of language or dialect. If possible, try not to separate nouns and verbs from their modifiers, and see some of the examples provided below. Before you begin captioning, here are some helpful tips for using the Amara tool. Make sure to click or select the subtitle field before you begin. You will receive a warning to press Enter if you type a line more than 42 characters in length. Tab to start and stop the recording. Shift-Tab to jump backwards in the timeline. Shift-Enter to insert a new line in the current caption. I suggest entering 2 lines per caption using Shift-Enter. I find that otherwise your captions are changing too often. Enter starts the next caption. During the first stage, don't worry if your typing syncs with the speech on the video. You'll get to sync the captions with the video in the second step of the process, sync timing. For this stage, focus on which segment of the text to display with each caption. For the course assignment, you are not required to transcribe the whole video, but you should transcribe at least 1 minute of content, regardless of the video you select. This will provide enough material to work with each step of the process. Have fun and don't worry too much about making it perfect. It takes a while to get the hang of the process. When you're ready, press the Tab key to start captioning. Note that you can save your work at any time with the Save Draft button at top right. When you are done transcribing and ready to begin syncing the captions, start the next video. For the short remainder of this video, we'll demonstrate the process for typing captions. You'll hear the speech of the video and then see the captions entered into the Amara tool. Keystrokes for controlling the format of the captions will sometimes be shown on the screen as they are pressed. An inclusive approach to course design considers the needs of the diverse range of abilities of individuals in considers the needs of the diverse range of abilities of the diverse range of abilities of individuals in order to create a This concludes this short demonstration in this video. We'll let you now try captioning on your own using the process we just demonstrated. Remember, once you are done with the transcribing, start the next video to review the process for syncing your captions with the video audio.